Hello everyone, welcome to our another video tutorial. So once again, this is Banjovi Vidal. This time we're going to focus on area between curves. So to solve this area, we just have to remember this. So let us now proceed to our example. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola. Y is 2 minus x squared, and below by the line y is negative x. So we have 2 minus x squared is minus x. So let us equate to 0. So that is x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0, and factor, so x minus 2 and x plus 1 transpose. So we have x is negative 1 and our x is positive 2. So these are now our limits of integrals. So let's use our formula to solve our given problem. So we have the definite from 1 to 2, the quantity of 2 minus x squared minus negative x dx. So cancel, so and add every exponent to 1. Just 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. So we have now 2x minus x cube over 2 and plus our x squared over 2 and our two limits negative 1 and 2. Let us use them or plug in them. Let's put a bracket here for positive 2 and our negative 1. So substitute first the 2 in every x of the given. So we have 2 minus 2 cube over 2 plus our x 2 squared over 2. So our 2 minus 1 minus negative 1 squared cube over 3 plus negative 1 squared over 2. So let's evaluate them. So we have 4 minus 8 cube, that is cube, plus 4 squared minus negative 2 minus negative 1 over 3 plus 1/2. Make it positive, so we have 4 minus 8 over 3 plus 4 over 2 plus positive 2 minus 1 cube minus 1/2, 1/3 minus 1/2 rather. So evaluate. We have 2 plus 2, so 6, or so that is negative 9 over 3, and that is plus positive 3 over 2. So 6 minus 3 divide 9 divide 3, so 3 plus 3 over 2. Then 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 plus 3, 2. That is equal to 9 over 2. That's all for today's video. Thank you.